Hey guys, in this video we will be learning how to create a curve-like tube. Alright, so this is what we are going to do. So without further ado, let's get started. So go into your ceiling function, okay, in order to draw a curve-like tube. Okay, so we are going to use the ceiling function. Click on the background wall design. Okay, and before we even start drawing, always turn off your auto absorb. Alright, so in order to draw a curved line, you are required to turn it off. Okay, so just untick and then come right on top here and select the multi-segment function, which is also called a polyline. Alright, so once you select, we can start drawing our curved line. Alright, so when we are done drawing our curved line, we can click on the line and then select H strip. Okay, so the section properties will appear. So right now, come right over here on the left hand side, click on side line, and then we can select a lamp. Alright, so I'm going to drag a round tube. Okay, so if let's say I would like to adjust the size of my lamp, okay, I can adjust it right over here. Okay, if I want to adjust the power, okay, the brightness, I can adjust it right over here as well. Okay, and then if let's say I would like to adjust the color, I can click on this and adjust the color. Right, so when I'm done, I can just click on return and start rendering. Okay. Alright guys, so this is how to create a curve-like tube. Good luck trying.